Hello everyone, this is Sherry from Shanghai High Quality Machinery Equipment Company. Today I would like to introduce this EYEDROP packaging line machines for you. You can see this is Unscrambler. It is used for arranging bottles. You can see we can storage the bottles in this hopper, then transfer here, and then transfer onto the conveyor belt. Onto this conveyor belt. You can see here, one by one onto the conveyor belt. Then we can go into this turntable for buffer bottles. Turntable here, then transfer through here. Do you know what is this? This is iron wind. Do you know iron wind? It is used for clean bottles. We can suck the bottles, clean the obstacles inside the bottles, then suck the dirty materials out from the bottles, then transfer onto this conveyor belt. You can see transfer here, then you can see we clean bottles here. Transfer here, then the bottles would be like this. The inside circle are iron wind for suck the dirty obstacles inside the bottles, then blew out. The outside would suck the obstacle bottles onto this tube. Do you understand that? Then it would be written back to here onto the conveyor belt. We go through the conveyor belt. It is used for 5mm EYEDROP bottles. You can see transfer here. You can see this is a sensor. It is used for detecting the bottles. When the bottles are filled on the conveyor belt, then the afterwards parties would stop to send the bottles. Okay, like this. Transfer bottles inside this conveyor belt. You can see filling needles like this. You can move it out. Screw this screw, and then take it out. When we need to change different filling or loose, you can change this tube and this needle. It is very easy for changing. This is 316 stainless steel. And also you can see this is also 316 stainless steel. It is for sucking plastics. Then take it onto the bottles. This is 316 stainless steel, and this is also 316 stainless steel. It is for capping. We have this function. There's no plugins onto the bottle, then it would not cap it. No plugging, no capping. This function, you can see this is capping. Plugging and capping. No plugging, no capping. We have fiber sensors. It could detect this function. Then you can see after plugging, capping here. The bottles without plugs, it would onto this track. You can see with no plugs, no caps, it would go onto this conveyor belt. With bottles with caps and plugs, you can see it is okay. It would go onto this track. You can see this complete line. You can see our fiber vibrator. It is here. It would onto this track, this conveyor belt onto the capping station. This is also 316 stainless steel. You can see our quality 316 stainless steel. You can see this. This is also 316 stainless steel, high quality. You can see the surface polishing, it is very shiny. 再拍个整体的。